Waiting for Gracian.
Tagal ni Gracian.
Akala ko magkasama na kayo.
Oo, ito nga.
Tapos umalis siya.
Tapon.
Okay lang ba yung restaurant?
Saan yan?
Diyan lang sa AJL.
Hi ka muna.
Hi!
Okay. So,
Alam?
Excuse me. Ay, Jill.
Can I get your eyeliner?
Gusto ganyan ka?
Pero ko lang. Iibig ko ng mangga.
Hi! Time check, it's 6:47. Yeah. We're going home. We're gonna have the G as a bye. Parents post ka. I'm late. Hi! So, sino nakatulog? Kala ko picture. Hi! Hi, Gia! Gia? Hi! Hi, siya! Napaisip ako saan ako eh. Oh, it's okay na. Sobrang ano. Hindi na naman ka. Hindi, pangit ako. Hindi, alam mo kapangit. Kasama na natin si Karen. Inayos ko na siya. Life savior talaga to. There's 5 options.
Kay Chelsea.
Tapos na yun. Ibang era na. Press ka ba? CCTV. CCTV ako. Ang galing. Tapos pili ka din na may pag nagagano. Lahat na lang. Ito na siya.
Ito na ako, guys.
Yan na, may...
Hi, guys.
Oo, CCTV. Yeah, it's late a bit.
who I am and who I'm meant to be. And it's just my way of sharing with you that from whatever school you're in,
From Henry's
you're in that
camera.
university. In Jesus never giving up what I've learned from St. John.
Hi!
That's hello.
Makita. Hi, Lud.
Wala, nag-argue.
Kita ang kamo.
Damit na. Ako.
Hi.
Damit tabunan, tsaka...
What? Hindi siya. Sorry. Until now? It's 1 a.m. Thank you.
Like, let's try to say Chom's story.
Hi.
Hi! Ang galing! Oh, okay lang. Oh, halika na ikaw. Diyan ka na dyan sa bed. Mag-squat. Magaling ka sa face. Wait lang.
Ako lang naman.
Ito yung mag-dry na hairbrush.
Over here. Ang dami mong ganap sa ano.
Wait, try na natin.
Wag.
Saan ka natin? Yellow basket. Saan ba yellow basket?
Ano ka ng phone?
Kaya na natin
Wait, alam mo ko. Yung kain.
I can pass this. I'm a real tough kid. I can handle my shit. They said, baby, gotta fake it till you make it. And I did every day. I'm supposed to him, but he avoids me.
Like, Sino ko ang crush niya
You know
naman?
you can. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes. What the
Ang sakit. Ang init.
I'm a real tough kid.
Share your experience sa tubig.
It's a life and death experience. Because,
Yeah, we walk sa tubig baha, especially me. Dinner is 5:30. What time is it? It's 6. God. We're here at GC. So sorry for the we are very late. What time is 5:30? Yeah. Now it's 7:40. I'm so sorry. We are very Filipino time. Yeah, we function. We hope. Yeah, may flowers ka. Happy birthday! Punta pa pa! Happy birthday! Uy, ayaw niyang tanggal. Okay ka pa ba? Okay pa ba ako?
Dapat na.
Bakit low yun? Medyo slow lang siya. Ganyan talaga. Totoo. Yeah, kasi parang it's like, basta ganun. Where are we? Where? Dito naman kami
Adidas.
sa BGC. Big Six. Saan? Nakala ko mag-Zara. Saan tayo? It's raining. Hi! It's raining in Manila. Shit! Ikaw to. Hindi ang lakas. Stop the rain. Doon naman tayo sana i-suspend yung klase kung ganito. Kasi balik tayo doon. Kasi may mga tatapon doon. Saan? Doon. Oo, kasi parang may silo.
Wait lang, basang-basa na yung braso.
Ito.
Ako, okay lang naman ako, Dave.
Kari! Uy, besh!
Nakainis yung basar. Paano ko na-enjoy?
Ayun.
Ano ba yan?
Basang-basa.
Mga alos, walang tao. Kaya nasa-scooter yung...
Hello. Sayang, it's raining.
Yeah. Jungle Monster.
There's Jenny.
Yes.
Sayang.
Raining.
Just kind of disappointing. Raining. Yeah, kasi it's raining.
Zero siya ng mood.
Yeah.
Todo eh.
Oh, yun yung Mercury. Open pa ba?
Oh, tayo, open pa mo kayo.
Ito yung isang maganda. Here. Wanna check out?
Baka open. Ay, may tao pa sa loob.
Ano natin? Check natin if andin wala sila. Yes. Tapos magchichismisan lang naman tayo.
Ako nga. Bakit mo ako inuutusan?
Bilisan mo. Arte naman. See? Mag-post din naman.
Bukasan ka nga ng vlog.
Ay. Chill naman dance. Yes. We had a podcast
Hindi na
like...
mula.
Abangan sa next episode. Yeah, hindi na mula. Ano yung main message nga natin?
Make sure
Kung gusto mo,
make sure if you're gonna decide something.
dapat gustong-gusto
mo talaga. Very good episode.
walang nasirang tao, walang parang no one's getting dizzy.
Yeah.
And it's only 180.
Yes, very good.
Actually, hindi mo kailangan magpabusog. Tubig lang talaga.
Yung bubusog sa chika eh.
Yeah. Actually, yung usapan.
Oh, it's so dark. Oh, ito na yung sinasabi ko na yung iingay na ngayon, yung mga club.
I think there are like parang times na gusto mo like to just chill, and then there are also times that you wanna like party all out. So today is for chill.
Yes, upcoming exams na naman.
We love BGC because it's for
Kung malapit na yung BGC, I would like go. Hindi naman nag-gumasis, pero mag-scroll out.
yeah, it's giving main character.
Yeah.
Kahit ka maglakad ka lang.
Dito, it's giving Singapore.
Yeah.
It's giving Orchard.
Yeah.
Diba? It's because walang wire.
Talaga, sa gusto mo.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. Kasi you have the will to choose.
Yeah.
And yung challenge na lang there is if tama ba yung decision mo.
Or paano mo siya i-execute.
Yes. For the podcast.
Wala kaming nasirang tao.
Yeah, di ba? Ang ganda ng conversation na.
Yeah.
That's the essence of our friendship. Sana talaga nag-rain. Kasi kung hindi nag-rain,
We could just
naglakad-lakad
walk
na
and
tayo.
talk.
Wala mag-pick up, no? Feeling ko sa location.
Wala pa rin. Akala ko hinihintay na lang natin.
For real. Ayaw na lang. Mahal na yun. Hindi, paano yun doon tayo nakatira?
Oo, ano ba gusto nila?
Ano na nangyari? Nag-track tayo mag-track.
Hi guys.
Hello.
It's 12:19 and we're still here. At BGC. We can't book a Grab.
26, 28.